Our Arena of Robotics Solutions, Part 1. Hello, welcome to Proven Robotics. Have you met our robots yet? Pepper forms empathetic connections with users, guides travelers through the airport processes, creates unique and engaging experiences for customers, easy patient registration at hospitals. Programmable social humanoid robot, tablet mounted, 3 multi-directional wheels, 360-degree freedom of movement. Now, enables easy access to education for children with determination, serves as an ASD therapy assistant, creates positive classroom learning experiences, coaches young patients through procedures. Humanoid bipedal robot, 4 directional microphones, 25-degree freedom of movement, programmable. DoBot, facilitates laser engraving, enables 3D printing. 13 extensible interfaces, STEM education facilitator. Our robots are educators, entertainers, caretakers, health assistants, and much more. They don several roles and can be deployed in a wide range of industries. Want to find out more about our robotics solutions? Visit our website, provenrobotics.ai.